Hello, and what a great day to sew something wonderful. I'm Kia with Kia Bee, and I'm by myself today, which on this channel is becoming less and less frequent. Tech Guy is really loving filming together. I'm really loving doing so many things together, like with this business and on this channel. And so, I don't know, it's just been really, really great. Today I wanted to talk with you a little bit about Creative Notions. So in the past, we have brought you several unboxings of this phenomenal company from Creative Notions. They do a quilting subscription box every month, but I'm finding more and more that it works for both, for multiple crafts actually. And so, we have been receiving some fantastic things from them. Over the summer, unintentionally on our part and unintentionally on Creative Notions, we skipped a few months. And so with that being said, I wanted to bring you September's box. We got it just a little bit late, but I am also a little bit late filming this. So I want to be sure that I schedule those and get them to you right as they are coming out. And my apologies to Creative Notions and Vickie for not filming this sooner. We unintentionally took that break last week, and I should have had it up as soon as I got it last week. So with that being said, I want to share this awesome box with you because you guys, she puts so much time and effort. Her and her team make so many handmade things for this subscription box. It is 100% worth it. I love it so, so much. So Creative Notions September 2020 box, they let us know right on the front what the value is, which is fantastic. Some boxes are not letting you know what the value is anymore. And I appreciate that because I love to see like, okay, my subscribers are paying this for this subscription and here's what the value is. And so this is a fantastic way to spend your money. There are so many things that you could do with your crafting budget every month. It's good to know where you can ensure that you are spending your money on something you want to spend it on. So the value of this box is $86.63, which is awesome. Okay, and before I really get into it, I heard from Vickie. She said that they actually have a couple of boxes, because she always puts them in lovely bags, which then I turn around and use as project bags. And so she has some of these left. And so you can head over to their website. We'll link all the information in the description box and you can snag this exact bag, which is awesome. So this is packed full of information and just more information about what's in the box and everything. So I want to hold off on looking at this until I show you everything in the box and then we can go through it. Also, there is a fun little, a nice little note on the back about shipping changes and things like that. And so it's really great information about your subscription. So first off, we have the fresh apple cake with caramel sauce recipe. So she has people submit recipes and then she picks a winner and prints them on these lovely recipe cards for us. And I have quite the little recipe card stash going from just Creative Notions, and I love that. Okay, the next thing that we have in here is a free quilt pattern called Waterfalls. Cool. Okay. So, let me get the glare off of it. There we go. Super pretty. Okay. Plus more. Okay. Okay. So you're going to icstarsquilting.com/freebie to claim our free pattern from that, which is awesome. And then IC Stars Quilting has given us, let me check the paper just to make sure I know exactly what this is. Okay. So this is a seam guide. And she gives you instructions on how to install your straight seam guide. And then she's got a video with that as well. Creative Notions actually has a YouTube channel as well where they're uploading tutorials and things like that each month to go along with their bags. So definitely check them out too. Okay, and then we have a small flying geese ruler from Quilt in a Day. That's super pretty. I love this. Okay. I just love rulers and like how they're designed and everything. I just think it's really cool. Okay, here's our fabric and our thread. So this month we got an Aurifil thread. So pretty. And this is in the color 2326. That's so pretty. Okay, and then here's our fabric. So now that we're much closer, I don't have to do the overview shot anymore. I can actually just hold these up for you. Okay, so here's our first piece. So it looks more black and white on camera, but it's actually like green tones, which is really pretty. Oh my goodness, look at this fall. Okay, I'm gonna open this up bigger. Look at that. That is gorgeous and right on theme with the fall. That's so pretty. Okay. Let me see if you can see that green tone a little bit better there. Okay, and then we've got that same print, but in orange and rust colored. Ooh, here's more like a, look at that. This would make a gorgeous quilt or project bag or anything. Oh my gosh, this might be my favorite. I haven't even seen the rest of them, but look at those pumpkins. How pretty is that? I love this. Okay, here's a nice fall plaid. We all love plaid, right? I feel like plaid is everywhere in the fall. Here's that same print, but in a mint, like green color. So this fabric line is called Seeds of Gratitude. And that is Susan Wagnett with Wilmington Prints. I definitely want to make sure and tell you who it's by so you can get it. And then this fall one. Fall Days, Autumn Blessings. That's so pretty. I love these colors. I've seen more and more like in the store, not in the stores because we haven't been going to any stores still, but like in store pictures and things like that, the mint color coming out in the fall. In fact, my mom decorated her house with mint pumpkins and more of like that green color, which is so interesting to me because I think warm tones and oranges and reds and cream colors and everybody throwing in this mint green color is really perfect. Okay, the next thing we have is fabric stickers for labeling cut fabric accurately and a pin. So, whoop, we're getting a lot of glare there. So these are, there we go. These are fabric stickers and then they come with a pin. So it says when cutting fabric to size, use the fabric stickers to label each group with their size and fabric reference for your quilt pattern. That's a really cool tool. And there's a lot in here. There's 100, which is awesome. Then it comes with an all-purpose marker for you to use as well. That's awesome. Again, these are manufactured by Sugar and Spice Textiles, which we've been getting planner inserts and things like that the whole time that we've been doing Creative Notions this year. And so to have that in there as well, that kind of like matches, is really cute. Okay, then we've got some quilt patterns here. So this is the Dottie Sampler Quilt Economy Block of the Month. And so this is going to be that pattern for that. Then, so that's their block of the month. And then we've got In Formation, a Flying Geese quilt. So this would be why we got the Flying Geese ruler from Quilt in a Day. So, and then on the other side, we've got a Welcome Fall wall hanging with the same flying geese. How beautiful is that pattern? With this fabric, I really may have to make that. That's so beautiful. And if you see that one print that had like the big turkey on it and everything is like the focal print here, you actually don't cut any of that out, which is awesome. And then she actually gives you the adhesive vinyl lettering. So this one says welcome and then fall. And you sew that. I'm not sure. I guess if it's adhesive, maybe you don't sew it. Maybe you can just put it on there. Let me see what the instructions say. This is so pretty. I love it. Letters can be machine stitched with the correct needle and thread for your machine. That's awesome. Look how pretty that is. That would be gorgeous just hanging right inside of a doorway. Oh, I love that so much. And so then again, we have the welcome all. So everything comes in this really awesome Creative Notions bag. She puts her tags on them now. Her family makes these, which is amazing. Like, that's awesome. A supportive family in a business makes all the difference. And so with that being said, I would have to say, I don't know, my favorite is probably this wall hanging pattern and the fabric that matches it. I love this. So like, this is gorgeous. It's a small project that would not take too long. You could probably make it in a day. So that's probably my favorite thing. Tell me in the description box. Tell me in the comments what you think your favorite thing is. Oh, look, I forgot candy. We got a piece of Werther's. She always includes a piece of candy, which is so sweet. And she always gives us extra for Tech Eye and the kids and I just think that's really sweet and thoughtful. So I will link all of the Creative Notions, all of their information in the description, so you can head over and grab a bag for yourself, or you can enroll in their subscription service. So what is so awesome about their subscription service, again, is that it is a fee, and then you actually get so much more. And so I will put all of that information in the box below. Again, this is an $86 value in this box, and it's just so awesome. It's so great. So for September, I'm just reading in our little pamphlet here to make sure there's no other information I'm missing here. Let's see, for September, there is the Ohio Star from Stephanie Stitches, and then the leaf block from Sew Becca. It says, after the YouTuber completes the video, it will be announced on the Creative Notions Facebook group. And then when the quilt is finished, it will be donated to a special person who will be nominated by our subscribers. So they're doing like something really fun with YouTubers and coming alongside of them, and they're creating blocks and making this beautiful quilt, and then it's going to be donated to someone in the subscribers are nominating, which is so amazing. I love that they're doing that. And so there's just really fun information in this that is really from the company and from Vickie herself, and just helping you understand why changes are being made, fun things that they're doing. They added a new team member, and so they're welcoming her. And I don't know, she's just so amazing and so thoughtful. So definitely head over, check out our description box, and then head over to Creative Notions. Thank you so much for joining us in the Hive today, and you guys have a great week.